So hi guys, welcome back. For now, we're going to set up a vehicle for our racing game. So the first step, let's head to Asset Store. Search a low poly cubic voxel cars model. Then if you found it, just import the assets. So the car model is created by Mega Magic Top, as you can see here. Then just import it. There, we already imported it. Then let's head to the file and find the prefabs. It looks like it isn't rendered yet. So we're just gonna select it all, go to edit, and rendering materials, then convert URT. Same as here. There we go. Now for the prefabs, we go to File and Save. There we go. So now, let's just drag the model here. And I'm just gonna reset the positions. And I'm just gonna rotate it to 90 degrees. It looks good. So I'm just gonna delete this. Head to wheels. Now let's create a folder and name it scripts. Now I'm just gonna rename this to car. Now for the Cine Machine, let's create a virtual camera, VMCam. And now let's select this camera and set it to TAA, and the quality, I guess high would be okay. Now let's you know what, turn it back off, the anti-aliases. Then head to car, drag it there, and drag at the card also. Now I'm just gonna reset the position. Does it work? Let's set the car. So in this case, let's head back to VMCam. I'm gonna reset the offset. There we go. I'm just gonna bring it up a little. And there we go. There's our camera. I guess 3 would be, no. Let's head back to 4 and the Y for 2.5. Let's check. It seems okay, but I guess 5 would be okay also. 3, 4. I guess 4.5. I mean, you can guys just adjust it if you want to. Now let's create a game object. Name it player, and drag the car underneath the player to make the player apparent. Now let's create another one and call it ray point. And adjust this. There we go. So it's perfect. Now let's head to 3D object and create a sphere. Drag the sphere underneath the player. I'm just gonna reset the position of the sphere. I'm just gonna bring it upwards underneath the car. I guess 0.7 would work. Now let's turn off the mesh renderer. The collider, just gonna leave it on. I think this is much better. Yeah, 0.7 would work. Now let's add a component of rigid body. And the mass, let's make it 70. The drag is 3 and the angular drag would be 4. Now let's head to where is the sphere. I think it's okay. Yep. I'm just double checking, guys. And let's create a script, call it car controller. Now just double click the script, open it in your Visual Studio. Now there we go. So here we're going to create a script. Let me remove this. Now let's create a public rigid body RB. The RB must, then the public float forward axle, then reverse accel, and max speed, and then the turn strength. Now for the next step is to I think the components here really suits for the car. Now let's create a private void, fixed update. And input the RB dot add force and transform inside the parentheses, and then dot forward times forward axle. So this is the testing out the rigid body. Now let's head back to Unity. Don't forget to save. Now let's head to sphere and drag the script underneath it in the inspector. For now, sorry, I misspelled something. And there we go, it works. Now for the forward asset, just bring it here, the RB. Now let's set it to 5. Now for the void update, let's input transform.position equals drp.position. Oh sorry, I mean transform.position. I forgot to transform. I think it's okay. Let's create a dash 8f, and for the reverse axle dash f 4f, max speed to 50f, and 180 for the turn strength. Let's head back to Unity. And let's see if it works. Well, it doesn't move yet, but the rigid body works. So let's remove that. Add it here, the player. Now let's see if it works at all now. Well, there's still error. I'm just gonna drag that. There we go. The car has a gravity now. Now let's rotate that. Oh, sorry. Let's go here. I'm gonna try it sideways. Yep, it does work, but I guess the script is just we told the script just to move backwards, I guess. So we're just gonna fix that. Let's turn the sphere into 90, then forward excel. Now let's remove that. Let's input vector 3 forward equals to transform that forward and semicolon. Save and head back to Unity, and I hope there's no error here. Oh, sorry guys, I think we inputted in the wrong void. Just input it here, the fixed update. Sorry for the confusion. Now let's see. It still moves. Let me just adjust the car. Like that. Let's make it negative and remove. Let's see if it works. There we go. Now it moves forward. So now the car works. Unfortunately, we didn't input some car controllers, but in the next part, we're going to set up some car controller for the car would work, and we can control the car to move left or right, or forward or backwards. So see you guys in the next part.